So what we're about to do today, I am finna show you how to turn one of your physical books that you have on Amazon KDP into a digital file that you can use as a promotional item in order to get reviews for your book on Amazon KDP. And the way that you're gonna do that is turn one of your books into a digital file and give it away to 10 people. The book that I'm going to be doing today is my book, Little Dinos. Okay, Little Dino. I think it was Little Dino. And so these are all the pages that's inside the book. You're literally giving away a book, but as you're giving it away as a digital product. Okay, so I chose this book. This is a coloring book. I want to get some more reviews on this book so I can run promotions. Okay, so the first thing I did was I have a blank page right above this book belongs to, and this is the coloring test page. They get everything. That it's going to be up to them to print the book out, but you just giving it away for a review. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the original cover. I'm gonna slide it in so that only the front part of the book will show, and I'm going to use that as my front page for this giveaway so that it'll still look good. Okay, because you even though it's a digital file, you still presenting your product to somebody and you still want it to look good. Okay, so we still have our cover page. You don't have to have pages in between because they not printing this. They It's just a digital file. Okay, so I am going to add another page. Then I do put no. And now I finna head over here to ChatGPT and I finna have ChatGPT to create me a little thank you page for entering the contest. In return, would you please leave me a review for this book on Amazon KDP? And then I am going to actually embed the link to the Amazon posting for this book. So all they will have to do is click it and go over there and leave me a review. Okay. So let me head over here to ChatGPT and we finna do that. So let me go here. Let me come out of this trend. Start a new trend. And I'm going to tell ChatGPT, I need you, well, can you please act as a giveaway expert and create me a description for my book, Little Dino, that I am giving away to 10 people in return for them to leave me a review on Amazon KDP. Okay, so you don't want to tell ChatGPT you want a positive review. You just want to say to leave me a review. Okay, so ChatGPT, as usual, here's a professional and engagement giveaway description for your book, Little Dino. Okay, so Little Dino giveaway, 10 lucky winners. Okay, so it went into detail. Exciting news. I'm giving away 10, okay, copies of the digital delightful children's book, Little Dino. This is a chance for you to receive. Okay, this is not what I wanted, ChatGPT. Comment below. Okay, no. Okay, thanks for this description. DSCRI description. However, I need a description for the inside of the book that is more like a thank you page for the winner and have it to remind them to leave a review on Amazon KDP. Okay, so sometimes ChatGPT don't give you exactly what you're looking for. You know, you have to talk to it. Okay, I still spelled it wrong, but they're gonna get it. Here, ChatGPT will get it. Okay, here's a heartfelt. Thankful for the inside of the. Okay, thank you for being a special reader, dear reader. Thank you for joining the giveaway and welcoming Little Dino into your collection. Your support means the world to independent authors like me. I truly hope you and your little one enjoy this adventure. As a giveaway winner, I kindly ask that you share the thoughts by leaving an honest review on. Thank you, ChatGPT. This is what we wanted. Okay, this is what we wanted. Your feedback help others rediscover Little Dinosaur, allows me to continue creating and engage. Could leave your review on Amazon. There go the link. Thank you again for your time, support, and being a part of the journey. Happy reading with gratitude. This is what we're looking for. Okay, this is exactly what we're looking for. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy this. Control copy. And I'm going to come over here to Canva and it's going to go in right under the title page. Okay. Before they even get into it, you know what you got this book for. Period. Okay. So I'm finna add me a little title page, add a title, and I'm finna copy and paste just what ChatGPT said because that's what we're looking for. Control V. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller so it'll fit. Guys, over, bring it down to about 20 for now. Okay. And then I make sure all of it. I don't know what Canva is. Okay, Canva, don't be acting up on me today. 2O enter. Now, okay. Now I'm gonna make this just, make it look good. I'm gonna add my touch to it. Okay, bring this down. Okay, thank you for joining. Blah, blah, blah. And see how ChatGPT did that. Okay, I'm gonna go back over here. Like that better. Like 20 might be a little bit too big, so let me go up to 15. There we go. Nope. 18 is fine. Okay, so now all I have to do now is just go over to Amazon and get the link for this book. So I'm gonna head over to Amazon and let me just head, let me go to my whole book collection and grab it. Oh, you know what? I don't even have to do that. I think I can get it from KDP, right where we got our books. Let me do that. Let me find a little dino right here. US. Okay, now I can get the link. Just like that. Copy. And then head over here to Canva. And then, okay. This is where I need to add the link. Control V. Okay. So I don't know why it left all those spaces, but let me fix that. I have to type that myself. Okay, so now let me highlight this. Okay, right. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna highlight this right here. And then I'm gonna hit the three dots. And then I'm gonna actually put the link right there also. Oh, let me go back and get the link. My bad. I forgot I had copied and paste something else. Okay, so what this does is when somebody get this page, when they download it as a PDF, when they click on it, it'll take it right to the link. So they don't have no excuse for not leaving the review. I also like to do a little click here button. Let me bring this down a little bit. Yes, Canva. I know I got a link in here. I'll put my name right there. I forgot. Go over here to design elements. Click here. Okay, so now they don't have no excuse. They have two ways to get right to this book. Okay, so now it's gonna show the link right because I'm still in Canva, but once they get it, it won't. It'll just take them straight to the book. So now that's done. Okay. So now I have my book. I have my thank you page. Um, thank you for being a special reader page, which is great. ChatGPT did an awesome job doing that. And then I have the book. So now all I have to do is download this book as a PDF. Okay. Now, if you want to put, like, I'm going to download this book and I'm going to put it up on my Shopify account. And then I'm going to allow people to go over. I'm going to give them the link to my Shopify when I do my YouTube video, I'm gonna tell them about this book. This here digital book is free, and I'm gonna put the link in the description. And when they click on it, it's gonna take them to my Shopify account. The reason why I'm gonna redirect them to my Shopify account, because number one, it's gonna say zero, so it's gonna be able to, it's only gonna get a book out to 10 people. So I don't have to keep up with once it run out, it's gone. Okay, because I did it as a free listing. Okay, so I'm gonna give them that link. Number one, I will be able to get their email because guess what? They just went over there and they purchased an item from my Shopify account. So now I can get them an email. They can also have the opportunity to sign up for my email list. So now I might be grabbing a reoccurring customer. If the book sells out, and I don't know it, guess what? As people go to my Shopify account, they're going to see the pop-up that say they can get a 20% off coupon. Now, what I am actually going to do is once this book sell out at 10, and because it's going to be on my YouTube channel, once it sell out, I am going to put in the description that the book will be free to the first 10 people. After that, I will offer it for the $4.99. And that way I can continue to get individuals to leave me a review. Okay. So that's how I'm gonna build my review for this particular book. Okay. And then also the reason why I want to do it like that for this book is because every time that they purchase it, even after I get a 10 away, after they purchase it, everybody else that purchased the digital book for $4.99, they have the option to either go to Amazon and get the physical copy if that's something that they want to do. Number two, I'm getting their email so that I can market other books to them as a physical product that's actually on Amazon KDP. Okay. Now, for Miss Debbie, you can do the same thing if you have a PayHip account. All you're going to do is go to your PayHip account and you're going to upload that book or that file as a free product and then direct everybody, give them the link to that free product on PayHip, and then they can come over here and get it for free. I do have a free product on my PayHip account. And I was doing it when I was collecting email addresses through another company that I decided not to use because they actually, when the free trial ran out, they was actually very expensive, which is this book right here. I actually had 51 people reviewed it and 20 of them actually got the book. So it's proven that this method will work. Okay, and it don't really cost you nothing. Yeah, you're gonna have to give away 10 books, but they're digital products, they're not physical products. There's nothing that you have to purchase, but in return, you're gonna get that review on your books that you're looking for. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and stop this. So, oh, I hope I didn't. Wait a minute, y'all. Let me share the screen and make sure. Um, Let me stop the recording.